Now, when you click on bulletin, if you are used to receiving our newsletter that contained our blotter, this will replace that. So if you click on the previous newsletter, it will have a link that will direct you to this page. Now you can see the time, the kind of call it was, and the incident number. And the way you read the incident number is the year first, 0221, which is February 21st, call number 41. Now it's going to be officer initiated activity, shows you where that was conducted, and the disposition, which was how that call ended. The difference between this and our previous blotter is you can now see officer initiated activity included with calls for service. So the difference is when somebody calls into the police department to create a call compared to when an officer creates a call for themselves, i.e. a traffic stop.
Press releases will be published media releases as they are currently disseminated to news outlets and via our social media platforms.